Hey everyone, it's Amber from the Sensible Mama. Today's packing video is going to be a little different than the ones that I usually do. Often on Mondays I like to pack up a whole diaper bag and show you everything that's in it and how I have it packed. But sometimes I think it's kind of fun to show you the smaller pouches and accessories as well, just to show you some kind of cool ways to pack these things up inside of your diaper bag. So today I am showing you the LYMIA brand Trifecta large piece packed up as an everyday carry kind of pouch for mom. What I like about this idea is that really the way this is set up, you could toss a wallet inside of it, put the included messenger strap on it and carry it as your purse. But if you're out and about with your kiddos and you've got a big bag with you like the LYMIA brand Charlie tote or something, you can have this down in there and just have it for safekeeping whenever you need the things that tend to be like everyday carry items. Again, in my opinion, the everyday carry concept is more like these are things that I have on me every single day that I might not use necessarily every day, but that I want to have nearby when I need them. So today, this is the LYMIA brand Trifecta large piece in the color Boss Up. I'm going to show you how I like to pack it as an everyday carry pouch. The LYMIA brand Trifecta actually comes with 3 pieces, the large piece that looks like this, a medium window bag piece that is leather on the back, and a small piece. We currently have these available in Boss Up like you see here, as well as On Point, which is our soft, buttery black leather. And coming up close to Christmas, we're going to have the Trifecta available in nylon as well, which I'm super excited about. The LYMIA brand line is sold exclusively at thesensible.mama.com, and almost everything you'll see in this bag today is also available at The Sensible Mama. If you're new here, The Sensible Mama is my business. And although I love using this YouTube channel to teach and show you how to use the stuff that you've purchased in new and creative ways, this channel is also how I help to support my business. So as always, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button, like the video while you're here, all that stuff that everyone tells you to do while you're watching YouTube. And before we get started, I'm gonna give you a quick word from our sponsor, which is my business, thesensible.mama.com. The Sensible Mama is an online baby boutique for babies, toddlers, big kids, and moms. Our warehouse is located in Atlanta, Georgia, and we are mama-owned and mama-operated. Our website, thesensible.mama.com, is a place where you can find all of the best-known names in the industry researched by us. We are also the home of LYMIA brand, which is a high-end line of diaper bags, sunglasses, and accessories designed by me with busy moms on the go in mind. While you're there, make sure you sign up for our Sensible Reward program or apply for the affiliate program to start earning money either through cash back in the store or directly deposited to your bank account. Lastly, make sure you're following The Sensible Mama on Instagram to be ahead of the game for all store news and product launches. And with that said, let's get right back into today's content. Okay, so let's get right into how I have this packed up. I'm going to start off on the back here. The large Trifecta piece is designed to be a pouch, which is why I've taken the removable strap off of it today. But we wanted to make sure that there was some external storage on here in case you did want to use it as a purse. Often this is where I like to keep my phone when I'm using it as a purse. But today what I've got in here is just a few things that I really find important to have on me while I'm out, particularly because I've got them on right now. I love teaks, I wear them a lot, and I tend to, although I love them very much, I do tend to sometimes get blisters. And that's really with a lot of shoes that I wear, also with my roller skates. So I like to have a few different things on me. The names that some of these brands make for their stuff kill me. These are called kicker stickers. I'm not gonna be able to, put it here, there we go. These are called kicker stickers. This is the only lighting I can get that to show up in. These are basically stickers for your kickers. They're heel bandages, okay? So if your shoes or your roller skates, in my case, sometimes start rubbing a blister on the back of your heel, you can put these on and protect your heel. And the reason why I think it's important to have something like this inside of your everyday carry pouch is that when that happens to you, when your shoes rub a blister like that, your whole day can be a problem. And having a nice little bandage to put on your heel so that you can keep walking and getting to where you need to be without being in enormous pain is just a really big plus. Also in here, I've got the blister blasters. The blister blasters. These are for when you get blisters on your fingers or on your toes. These are padded just like the kicker stickers. These are also very nice if you have stick-on nails or acrylic nails like what I have right now, and one of them breaks or pops off and is kind of hanging on by a thread and you want to just like get it on there. These are clear, so they're not going to show up as obviously as like a, you know, the Welly Kit kids bandages that we all usually have in our bags. So they just work really nicely for that, and I love having these two things in here just in case I need them. Moving on to the inside of the bag, here is a quick peek of everything that's in there. Turn it this way. I was actually really impressed with how much I was able to get in here when I started trying to pack this up. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is I do have a spare set of sunglasses in here. These are the LYMIA brand aviators in the color poolside. I tend to lose my sunglasses a lot or sit on them or just any number of things. So it's nice to, I wore these to the pool last time. It's nice to have a backup pair in my little everyday carry kit just in case, so that I can grab for them if I need them. Next, in these two mesh pockets that are on either side over here, I have got on this side more of like, I guess you would call it safety and backup, I guess. I have some pepper spray in here. This is by Bling Sting. We have a ton of different colors in this, but this one is one of my favorites, the really pretty teal. Again, I don't want to have to use this, but if I'm in a situation where I am afraid and I want a little extra self-defense, it's good to have that with me. And I like when I have it inside of a pouch like this because it's hidden from my children. They can't accidentally grab it or be attracted to it because it's glittery and then get in trouble. Then I also have in here a backup set of keys. This has got keys to my car and my house and my warehouse on them. Just in case something were to happen, I can at least get back into my car or my house. I'm not totally sure how I feel about this idea, to be honest with you. I have to sit with it for a little while, just because if you lose the pouch, then you're really in trouble. But it does kind of seem like a good idea to have a backup set of keys in here because I have gotten locked out of my house and my car before by mistake. So then in this other pocket, I just have some sort of cosmetic things that I need every now and then. I've got one of these collapsible hairbrushes by DM Merchandising. It opens up like this. I like these even for my short hair because I can kind of use it as a teasing comb. I've got a set of tweezers. These are light up tweezers, which are amazing. You actually can see what you're getting at. So if I want to shape up my eyebrows or something, I can take care of it. Then I have got a pair of scissors, which I know a bunch of you have gone out and gotten short haircuts ever since I got mine. One of my favorite things about having these with me is if I notice that this part of my hair is starting to get over top of my ear, I'll just take and snip, snip. But these are also very handy for just about anything while you're on the go. And lastly, in that little pocket, I've just got a set of toenail clippers. These two things came inside of a Welly kit that comes with a set of tweezers and clippers and scissors. So that's why those were in there. Next in here, I have got a reusable silicone bag. This is by W&P. And in here, I realize this is replay, but you know what? It's not the end of the world if I lose these or if I accidentally throw them out because they're cheap. And sometimes I'm out and I order something and I realize I didn't get any silverware and I just like having a spoon and fork with me while I'm on the go. So I actually have 2 spoon and fork sets in here and 3 reusable straws. And actually, you'd be surprised how many times this little pack, I keep this packed up this way. I never unpack it except to wash everything, obviously. And I just toss this into whatever bag I'm using for the day. And you'd be so shocked to know how many times I have used that. Next, right here, I have got a snack bag. This is from Bumpkins. This is a brand new print. So this is Bumpkins' new print in collaboration with Lady Gaga's foundation, which is the Born This Way Foundation. And a portion of proceeds from the purchase of these bags goes to her foundation. And what she's trying to do is create kindness and tolerance and acceptance in the world, and I think that's beautiful. And this bag is sort of a representation of that. We just got these in stock, and we've got the snack bags, the sandwich bags, the clear window bags, so go check that out. And in here, I've just got a few cosmetics that I tend to be grabbing for touch-ups, lipsticks, some highlighter, backup eyeliner, things like that. Down in here, I've got 2 more things. These are related to like medical needs. This is just my medical kit. This is not mine because mine is at home today, but I did grab one from the warehouse to just show you. This is what this looks like. What I like to do, I'm in my 30s now, okay? So I like to make sure that every day I have a collagen pill in here because I'm finding it's helping with the looseness of my joints and all of that great stuff. And then every day, I also keep my vitamins that I take. What's kind of nice is that there is an extra spot right here, and that's where I like to keep any other like allergy medicines, things like that, that I might need to take while I'm out and about. So this is a great thing to have in that everyday carry pouch, because even if you have most of your vitamins and pills and things stored at home, if you've left the house and you're out all day long and you have forgotten to take your medicine for the day, it's really nice to have a backup in here so that you can take that medicine, especially if you have to take it at a certain time. Then down in here, I have got this is one of my favorite things from Lily. I just think it's genius, and I show this in a lot of my videos. I'm sorry if you've seen this 100 times now. This is the travel medicine kit for adults. In here, you've got the lid, which shows you all of the dosing information for each thing that's in here. And then what you've got in here is an anti-diarrheal, gas relief, motion sickness relief, a sleep aid, and you get a roll of ibuprofen as well. I just think it's such a smart little design, and I get into this more than I'd like to admit for all the things, all of them. So I just like having that in there to make sure that if I'm feeling discomfort, I can take care of that. The last thing that I have in the main part of this bag is a backup set of AirPods. I've shown these, I guess they're just called earbuds. There we go. I got these at Target. They were $29, which compared to what AirPods and AirPod Pros cost, that is a really, really nice price. In my opinion, they work pretty much just as well as my AirPods. And because I am often working while on the go, while taking care of my kids and needing to take phone calls and needing to be able to hear very close inside of my ear so I can hear over my children who are yelling, it's important to me that I have got some kind of headphone or earbud with me while I'm out. I try to always have my AirPods with me, but I really like having a backup pair. At $29, fine. Like, I'll throw this in this bag, have it as a backup just in case I need it on those days where either my AirPods die or I leave them at home, whatever it is. And then lastly, in this back zipper pocket, I've just got tampons and pads and whatnot in case I've made it out of the house without them and I get a little surprise. And that's everything that was in there. I feel like that's a lot for such a small little pouch. And just to feel prepared while you're out on the go, to know that if things happen, you got it covered. All right, everyone, that is it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and it gave you some ideas for how you might use your large piece if you already have the Trifecta and you're looking for new ways to use it. If you're interested in purchasing the Trifecta, it's available at thesensiblemama.com. I've got shopping links down in the description box below for you to check that out. Love ya, mean it always, mwah, and I'll see you in the next one.